Hey my good people, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. Mercy here. So today's video we are going to the auction market. I got ready, I put on my warm clothes. I'm putting a thermal because in Georgia it's very cold. I think we are in the 30s this weekend and some part of Georgia have really snowed. So first thing to do when you go to an auction market, because you're gonna be like sitting out in the cold, there's no heat, make sure you bring lots of coffee. So that's what I'm making. Actually, because it's very deep and my spoon is not tall enough, we're gonna put the coffee and the sugar. I'm gonna fill this up for two. I'm not drinking all this by myself. So I'm trying to go low on sugar, but this cold, you gotta make sure you have enough energy to warm you up. So coffee is perfect, and I don't want to go buy coffee at the market. So the cup is so deep, so I'm just gonna use the straw to stir it. So this is good for two. So that's it. I'm not gonna drink coffee with a straw, of course. So this is good for the road. So coffee is ready. We bring like 2-3 bottles of water because we're trying to stay hydrated. And this is a snack for maybe later when we get hungry, because we don't know what time the auction will be ending. Because it's too cold, you have to dress up like you are going up to the mountains, because your body cannot persevere this kind of cold. And I don't know what I'm gonna be dealing with. I'm getting my waterproof boots out because there's a lot of water out there. It's been raining since last night and I don't want to take chances of getting cold. So you gotta make sure you protect yourself from water, from getting sick. So that I'm that kind of girl. So every time you're going out and it's really cold, make sure you always pack a blanket in the car, because that's when cars normally bring up their issues. So before, maybe sometimes the car would need some jump start. Before you get a mechanic, you're gonna be freezing out cold. So I'm bringing this blanket to put it in the car just in case. And of course, a woman, you cannot leave your purse. I like bringing it, even though I have a driver. Sometimes anything can happen and you have to be the driver. So let's go. Hey, my people, it's cold. I had to get my gloves and a hat. It's very windy. That's our cages, and we have some garbage there. We are going to put it in the dumpster. Our first stop is at the dumpster. Mr. Man anapambana na takataka yake. 419. Yeah, I think it was stuck somewhere in one of the hooks, so he has to go up and kinda save it so it can go to where it belongs. Yeah, so see, when you live out here in the rural areas, you save so much money. Now for us, we don't pay a trash bill. Everything goes to the dumpster. And voila! Yes. Right up there, that's the county people cleaning up around for those people who leave trash on the floor and they're emptying the dumpsters. So safari tunapiga. It's a road trip. We're having fun, just catching up and enjoying the drive and the view. How are you doing there? How are you doing there?
Who knows?
Who knows? That's an auction. It's full. Yeah, there's a lot of people. Most of them are sold. You see the pens are empty. Tumefika auction. We are at the auction and we are going in. We have a number that we always carry when we come here. So you can see the pens are empty. We have to come here and survey first. So most of the time we're surveying and then we see what you might want when you get in there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you look, you can see the sheep. So you come in here, you inspect the sheep that you want, the number, and then when you go to the bidding hall, that's where you lift your card up. So Steven is inspecting the goat that he's gonna pick. Oh, that's really old. And voila. All you have to do is make sure that you close the gate, like he's doing right there. So these are the chickens, and they're starting to go inside. I like this one, and those ones as well. Yeah. Very important to identify and inspect the chicken before they are out there in the breeding hall. So all the chicken cages are tagged. So you just do a quick walkthrough to see what chickens you would like, because there are different sizes. There's those types that are really tiny, and when they go up there, you can't exactly see what's the size of the chicken, because they just pass really fast. And of course, they have farm fresh eggs ranging from chicken, duck, and quails. Now, the long-awaited hour of the day is about to start. He starts by setting out disclaimers, announcement, and everything is going to be auctioned here today, from goat babies, grass, anything that you can find on the farm, even feeding trays. It's going to be on sale.
Don't call me next week saying you got sick, because it's a bottle baby. You take a chance when you buy it. Everybody understands that. We don't have to do the speak one time a year. But it's a bottle baby. 7 and a half, now 75, now 80, now 80, now 80, now 80, 90, 1 to 90, 90, 90, how, 90, how, 90 bucks, 90 bucks, 90 bucks. Gonna be a good one now, 90 bucks. Does she want to be 90? Does she want to be 90? 90, 90, but 90, but 90, 85 right here, man. What's that number? That is a 1161, 1161. She gets a bottle and all. What a deal.
Sold.
It's a good thing to go now. 330, 330. So I got 320 over here. What am I here? 330, 330, 330. Just one of the babies coming out the door out here. 320 is like 333. That's I have it 4 and 4. 6 and a half. 6. Just do 2 there. Okay. 2 times there. 2 times.
Are those ones available?
I think that's enough.
18
bags.
My people, the market today, it was not great at all, because we thought we are coming for the sheep, the goats, or either of, but they were going for so much. It was about $200 to $300, and that's not our budget. So we also thought we were getting some chickens, but a piece was going between 18 and 20 bucks. And when you normally buy them for $10, 20 bucks was very expensive. So rather than going home empty-handed, we decided to buy eggs, because as you know, eggs are very expensive out there. So we bought 2 trays of eggs for $3 a piece, and they're all organic. And the other piece we bought for $8. So you can't beat that. So the eggs were a total of 14 bucks, and voila. So thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoy this type of content, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and help us grow. Until the next one, you take care.